Hey guys, I have a really late Valentine's video coming up. I just had a baby 3 weeks ago, so I haven't really had the time to get this video out, but here, better late than never. Alright, so also, the first half of it's out of focus. I've got total mom brain, and I thought I zoomed out and I zoomed in, so sorry about that. So anyway, I've got my foundation, eyebrows, everything for my face done, and I'm starting out by priming the eyelids and going in with the Morphe 35C palette in a transition shade. The primer I used was the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, by the way. And I'm using the same little fluffy brush like most of this look because I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. So I have this little kind of like transition shade and then this like kind of wine colored. I was going for kind of like a rose gold look. Rose gold for like the eyes. Not really too like baby pink, but kind of, I don't know. I was going for sultry. That's the word, like, I think that's what I have in my title, and that's the word I was like basing this off of. And I'm just taking that and blending it on the outer part with the same fluffy brush. Like I said, this is just a really basic, just throw it on and go. And then once I've got that on there, I've got some concealer and a concealer brush. This, I mean, this wasn't even really necessarily something you have to do. It was kind of more just to help me, like, figure out how much glitter I wanted on the eyelids, but I'm doing kind of like a cut crease. It doesn't look like it's cut in the end, but it's just kind of to help me figure out how much glitter I wanted. And then that glitter shade in the 35C, I started applying it with my brush, and I felt like it just did better with my finger. So I ended up doing both. I started with the brush, switched to the finger, got it packed on there pretty good, and then switched back to the brush. Sometimes with the glitter shades like that, they just do better with your fingers. But it's a really pretty color. It's like the ideal rose gold, like pinkish color. It's so beautiful. It does stay all over your face though. I still have it on my face and it's been since yesterday. Alright, and then doing the other eye, same thing. Just patting the glitter on there. I did my nails for Valentine's Day too, and sorry about my yellow roots. Like I said, I just had a baby and I have not had time to fix my hair. I think I'm gonna color my hair a different color though, so that might be a video coming out soon. We shall see. Alright, and then once I was satisfied with the glitter, I went back in with that little kind of wine color and just touched up the edges. I wanted to make sure that they were like nice and deep. So the glitter does cover them a little bit, so I just wanted to make sure that I had like that pigment there on the edges. With the same little fluffy brush. Alright, and then I took a angled brush and the same wine color, and I did under my eyes with that. Dad, just like some depth there. And then I went in with the Colourpop highlight and Flexitarian, and I put that on my inner corner and my brow bone, everywhere I wanted to highlight. I feel like this does pretty decent with your finger, the texture of it. It's like a buttery texture. Alright, and then I don't normally wear blush, but since this was a Valentine's Day look, I wanted some like pinky kind of color in it. And then the Flexitarian highlight again on the little cheekbones. And I really like to highlight my Cupid's bow. Alright, this is the most important part of this, is the red lipstick. This is the most perfect red I've ever found. It's called Avenue by Colourpop. And I wore it eating greasy pizza after this look, and it stayed it didn't get all over me. It was on the rest of the day. It's literally perfect. And it's such a deep, like, cool tone red. Like, it's perfect. This is probably the only red lipstick I'll ever wear. It does take a little while to get it right because I don't wear red, and I wanted to make sure it was like a really pretty shape, so it took a while to get it there. Alright, and then I went in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I was just putting the liner on. I am going to end up using the Glamnetic lashes and their liner with it, but I feel like when I use those lashes that doing my liner first helps. Also, my camera had died around this point, so I missed a good bit of that footage, so I apologize there. And then this is just a little retractable eyeliner. I'm doing a little bit on the bottom just to add a little bit of dark right there. And then some mascara. Okay, now we're in focus again. Okay. I also got a little bit of mascara on my eyelid on the one side, so sorry about that. Alright, these are the Glamnetic lashes in the style Birthday Bish, and I'm the queen of not being in focus, sorry. But I put the lashes on after using their eyeliner over top of the eyeliner I had on. And the lashes come with these little anchors. So I put them on, and then the inner corner where I always have like pop up, right here I'm putting an anchor on, and that kind of like makes them stay down, and oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then just doing the other side. I really like the lashes, by the way. They're really comfortable to wear. It took me a good while to figure out. It took me like a week or two of wearing them to figure them out, but once I did, I was really happy with them. Alrighty. And then there is the finished Valentine's look. I love Valentine's Day, and I hope everybody has a great one, whether you spend it with someone or spend it by yourself. Just stay safe out there, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.